Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Isencane Lengane. So you guys, we know last week's episode ended with Uthembi Nkosi and his bodyguard running away from Abomalume Bakathando because they wanted to beat him up, you guys. So this episode starts off from there. So anyway, Abomalume decide ukuthi they're going to call. Oh no, Uthembi Nkosi decides to call them phone. He's standing from a distance and they telling him ukuthi buya so we can talk and finish up le ngxoxo. Guys, Uthembi Nkosi comes back, and when he comes back to have a conversation with them, he's drinking their Savannah. I'm just like, this man has no backbone. Like, how are you? Like, I didn't get it. And that time when he's coming back, he's like, no, sonke siyawenza amaphutha. I'm just like, yazi, this man nje yipara nje. Anyway, when he comes back, he says in his diary session ukuthi the reason why ezebule meeting is because he's here to defend his daughter. Defend his daughter how, guys? That's the question we should be asking. Defend his daughter by accusing his daughter of infidelity, accusing his daughter of cheating. He goes on to say ukuthi mina he starts this whole thing yengane kaThando doing a DNA test. He starts this whole conversation again. Uthembi Nkosi is claiming ukuthi uMakathando knows this story well yokuthi ingane kaThando is not eKaSiyacela. Uthembi Nkosi makachaza, he says ukuthi uMakathando is the one that said ukuthi uThando once when she was in Durban, she arrived at uNophuzana. She arrived at her mother's house. Ehamba nobani, ehamba noNjabule bedakiwe. And then uSiyacela, it was that time uSiyacela, he was vele doing izinto zakhe noMato at Ilovo. Manje, the story does kind of match at the beginning, you guys, because when uThando explains how she got pregnant, she says she found out she was pregnant while uSiyacela had been away in Durban, busy gallivanting with his other girlfriend. So anyway, so uNophuzana, uThembi Nkosi goes on to say, when uThando told uSiyacela ukuthi uMithu ukuthi she's pregnant, Siyacela asked ukuthi ingane kabani, and uThembi Nkosi is saying the fact that uSiyacela could ask ukuthi ingane yabani means ukuthi he was not 100% sure that that child was his. So he's saying ukuthi uNophuzana, uMakathando, she knows this thing very well, and she insists ukuthi vele ingane kaNjabulo, kodwa obviously kwamakhamera uMakathando doesn't want to speak about lolu daba because she doesn't want to embarrass her daughter in some sort of way. I'm just like, guys, uThembi Nkosi, that time the uncles obviously they don't believe and they're calling out Uthembi Nkosi, but Uthembi Nkosi is adamant. Uthembi Nkosi, guys, I don't think he ever loved Uthando. No, he never loved Uthando. At this point, I think Uthembi Nkosi would have been better being a deadbeat father than being in Uthando's life, because this man is willing to get back at uSiyacela at the expense of his own daughter and his own grandchild. Okay, fine. Let's just say, hypothetically speaking, it comes out ukuthi ngempela uNubanzi is not uSiyacela's child. Then what? Yeah, uThembi Nkosi uzoyondla leyo ngane. Like, so what's the point? So I'm saying, even if it's the case that that child is not uSiyacela's kid, how does Uthembi Nkosi benefits out of it, and how is he saying what he's helping Uthando by, or maybe he thinks he's helping Uthando because Uthando uyophuma kulowo mshado? Angazi, you guys, but this man Uthembi Nkosi angimazi ukuthi bamkhokhela malini kwaMojanafi, but clearly that money yamhlanyisa, because every time he's trying to stay relevant by mentioning all of these things just so that he can secure himself a spot for next season. At this point, I'm just like, get Uthembi Nkosi off our screens, because ngikhathele uye. Hey guys, I'm tired of Uthembi Nkosi. As if that was not enough, guys, Uthembi Nkosi decides to do a tour. He decides to invite amakhosikazi akwaDlamuka to tell them to add onto this thing of the DNA and to tell them ukuthi yena ufuna ukubophisa ubani uSiyacela noBaba Phakathi. So anyway, uThembinkosi, he calls the Dlamuka wives, and listen guys, one thing about the Dlamuka wives, you see that unity umseleka ayifunayo. The Dlamuka wives have that. So he calls the Dlamuka wives, he tells them ukuthi mina I was expecting ukuthi once you guys heard ukuthi uSiyacela wangibeka isandla ukuthi nina maybe you guys were gonna come nizoxolisa or say something niphakame, but ngiyabona ukuthi nithule, wonke umuntu uthule. So mina ke I decided to go to my lawyer because nginabo ubufakazi obuphathekayo, and my lawyer advised me to get uSiyacela arrested. He goes on to say uBaba Phakathi naye ke wangishaya nensimbi yakhe, namanje ke wangishaya. I'm still in pain till today. The pain won't go away. I'm just like, I don't remember seeing a point where uBaba Phakathi hit uThembinkosi. But anyway, uThembinkosi goes on to say ukuthi in fact ufuna ubabophisa bowu-2, uBaba Phakathi and uSiyacela. I just want to see that happening, you guys, because I'm just like, at this point, I don't know. I just feel like uThembinkosi is willing to do anything just to prove or just to get at uSiyacela. I'm like, abamdala for ezo zinto. Ezinye izinto, guys, if you feel like someone's doing you bad, like, just leave them to God. Just leave them to God. This is life. Life will teach you if you refuse to learn, or life will teach you a lesson if you refuse to respect people. Manje Thembinkosi, the way he's behaving, ngathi ingane, going around pulling in everyone in every situation just to get back at uSiyacela. Yo, ayangibhora shame. So anyway, he says ukuthi he's going to sue them. He's going to get them arrested. And then he goes on to say ukuthi okwamanje, even if uSiyacela angaze azoxolisa, or even if we could pay a fine, I won't accept any of those things. Mina into engiyicelayo is that uSiyacela awenziwe uyi-DNA test nomzukulwane wami. Yo, the Dlamuka wives are so surprised, guys. I'm just like, uThembinkosi unesibindi yezwa to even call them and say that in front of them. Hi, shame. Bayambuza ke ukuthi wena ungenaphi. And uThembinkosi is like, the inking ukuthi uSiyacela doesn't respect me. So if we could do this DNA test, mina, I will find peace once this DNA test is done. Just like this man, guys. Yo, hi. Even if they said ukuthi, hey, all fathers are finishing this earth and there's one father left for me to choose, I would never choose uThembinkosi. It's just so sad that you can't choose your parents, because uthando in this situation, it really is sad, you guys. But anyway, I personally will no longer judge her if she doesn't give that man respect, because listen, he doesn't deserve it, you guys. Last scene of the show, we see uMashange and uMamkhize. They are taking out uThando to the supermarket or something like that, because bafuna ukubika lolu daba lokuthi uThembinkosi came to us requesting a DNA test. So anyway, uMokhuzana uMamkhize tells uThando, hey Thando phela baba wakho summoned us, he called us, and this is what he's saying. So Tina Thando, we want to know ukuthi khona into yaziyo or khona into ofuna usitshela yona. I also, listen, Thando did take offense to that, and I also didn't like the way abambuze ngakhona. Like, is there something you want to tell us? I don't like it. I feel like there could have been a different way of putting it that does not make uThando seem like she is guilty of something. But anyway, uThando's like, listen, let DNA ayifunayo ngizoyenza. Kodwa I want to make sure ukuthi if these results indeed come out and say ukuthi ingane eyaSiyacela, he needs to pay a fine or something like that, which he did not do the last time. He had a fine to pay. Thembinkosi needed to pay a fine, which he did not. So Thando is saying, this time around, I want us to go to the police station and get something in writing, so that once I'm done with these DNA tests, he will be obliged by the law to pay something. Anyway, bamkhaphe-ke. Indeed, Utando goes to the police station, ethi yovula case. But anyway, the sergeant that assists her tells her, which, you know what, when it comes to izinto zenhlawulo, inkomo and stuff like that, you need to go to the chief. We can't assist you. I feel like Utando should have maybe waited or asked someone who's much more informed about opening up cases, because the way I ngayo, there was no case to be opened. She could have maybe went the route of harassment, to say, Ubuti, this man, he's harassing me. He's going around talking about me like this or something like that. She should have used maybe that route, and maybe the police could have, I don't know, advised her, Ubuti, what's the terms, like what specific acts fall underneath harassment. If she could not win with that, maybe she could have went to a lawyer and done defamation of character, you guys. But the way she explained it to the police officer, he could not, his hands were tied. So she needs to take another route, you guys. Even if it means to get a lawyer, she needs to do that and shut this man up, because your guys, haibo kuningi manje. But anyway, guys, that's where the episode ends. We shall see next week ukuthi what's going to happen with that. But listen, I am judging Imojala for even continually bringing uNokuzana Thembinkosi. To think, guys, Thembinkosi was introduced as a man into the show, ozolingisa his relationship with his daughter, but all he's ever done is just cause chaos. On top of that, guys, didn't we find out ukuthi uThembinkosi is not a Tabete? Yeah, now why is he not going to look for his real father and ahambe ayokwenza ama-DNA test or whatever it is, for looking for his original father or something like that, and leave uLubanzi alone? Able, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.